Networking. The word probably makes you uncomfortable, especially if you're an international student with zero US hospitality connections. You attend school events, smile awkwardly at mixers, and wonder how everyone else seems to know the right people while job opportunities flow to students who've somehow mastered this mysterious skill. Here's what nobody tells you. Networking in hospitality isn't about schmoozing or fake small talk. It's about building genuine relationships through shared experiences and mutual support. And that actually makes it one of the most accessible fields for international students to build meaningful professional networks. The hospitality industry operates on relationships and referrals more than most sectors. A hotel general manager's recommendation carries more weight than 10 polished resumes. Your network directly influences your access to opportunities, and we're talking tangible advantages here. Inside information about unadvertised positions. Referrals that bypass standard application processes. Mentorship from experienced professionals. Industry insights that actually improve your performance. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the hospitality sector relies heavily on internal referrals for hiring. Properties trust recommendations from current staff because cultural fit matters enormously in guest-facing roles. When you network effectively, you become the person others want to refer. For international students, networking compensates for the home field advantage domestic students enjoy. You might not have family connections in U.S. hospitality, but you can absolutely build them through intentional relationship development. Start where you already are, your campus and classroom. Your strongest networking foundation exists right in your current environment. Professors often maintain industry connections from previous careers or consulting work. Attending office hours shows initiative while creating space for genuine conversations about career paths. Ask about their experiences, seek advice on challenges you're facing, follow up on their suggestions. Campus hospitality clubs connect you with peers who share your ambitions. These relationships matter because today's fellow students become tomorrow's industry colleagues. The classmate struggling through food and beverage management with you might manage a Ritz-Carlton in 5 years. And don't underestimate dining hall staff, campus hotel employees, or event coordinators. These professionals work in hospitality daily and often know about job openings or industry contacts. Treat every hospitality worker you encounter with genuine respect and interest in their career journey. Industry events concentrate networking opportunities into focused timeframes. Hospitality conferences, job fairs, and professional association meetings bring together students, recruiters, and established professionals in structured environments. Research events beforehand. Review speaker lists and attending companies. Identify 3 specific people or organizations you want to connect with and prepare relevant questions. This preparation transforms random mingling into purposeful networking. When approaching new contacts, lead with curiosity rather than need. Instead of, "Do you have any internships?" Try, "What trends are you seeing in luxury hotel operations?" People respond positively to genuine interest in their expertise. And here's critical. Don't ghost after initial contact. Networking succeeds through consistent relationship maintenance, not single interactions. Share relevant articles, congratulate promotions, check in occasionally without always asking for favors. LinkedIn functions as the digital backbone of professional networking. For international students pursuing U.S. hospitality careers, optimizing your LinkedIn presence opens doors before you ever meet people in person. Your profile should tell a clear hospitality story. Hospitality management student, future F&B leader, multilingual works way better than generic student at X University. Detail your hospitality internship experience, relevant coursework, and language abilities. These keywords help recruiters actually find you. Connect with alumni working in hospitality roles you aspire toward. Join hospitality-focused LinkedIn groups and contribute thoughtfully. Share industry articles with your perspective in brief comments. Engage with content posted by target companies and professionals. When requesting connections, personalize every single message. Mention shared interests, mutual connections, or specific reasons you're reaching out. Generic connection requests get ignored. Thoughtful ones start conversations. Follow luxury hotel brands, restaurant groups, and hospitality management companies you admire. Engage with their content genuinely. Recruiters notice when the same name consistently provides thoughtful comments on company posts. That visibility matters when applications come through later. The strongest networks form through shared experiences rather than transactional exchanges. Volunteering at hospitality events or participating in industry projects creates natural relationship-building contexts. Local food festivals, charity galas, hotel job fairs, tourism board events. They constantly need volunteers. These opportunities let you work alongside industry professionals while contributing to community initiatives. Your work ethic speaks louder than any elevator pitch. Choose events aligned with your hospitality specialization interests. Show initiative by asking for additional responsibilities. Exchange contact information with fellow volunteers and organizers. Share event photos and reflections on LinkedIn. And remember, networking is reciprocal. As you build connections, look for ways to help others. Share job postings with classmates, introduce contacts who might benefit from knowing each other. Offer your skills for someone's project. Generosity creates goodwill that returns when you need support. Networking in the U.S. hospitality industry becomes easier when you approach it as relationship building rather than transactional job hunting. Start with your immediate environment, expand strategically to industry events, maintain your digital presence, and create authentic connections through shared experiences. Your network grows one genuine conversation at a time. Each person you meet opens pathways to other connections, opportunities, and insights. The hospitality industry's collaborative culture rewards students who invest in relationships with curiosity, authenticity, and follow-through. Ready to build your hospitality career with built-in networking advantages? Hospitality Academy connects international students with industry professionals, placement opportunities, and career development resources across the United States. Visit the link in the description to learn how our programs position you at the intersection of education and practical experience.